Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you the new releases for this week. I have two new Tigaro kits. One is this one and it is Rainy Day, and one is Birthday Time, and yeah. So I wanted to show you these. I had so much fun drawing them, and yeah, so here they are. Here are the full boxes for the Rainy Day, and then you have your bottom washi, and it's the raindrops. I wanted it to be kind of like dark, but at the same time be really bright and cheery. So we have that sheet, this one, and let me know if you still use washi strips. I'm always looking to make sure that my kits are what everybody wants and uses. And then we have that sheet, and the last sheet in the main kit is this one. Then you have your glitter headers, and then you have your personal size kit, which you get lots of. And then you have your personal add-on, the extra full boxes. I should have put this on my tripod, but I was feeling lazy, so I'm holding. That's why it's hard to do this one-handed. The extra half and quarter boxes, and then the date covers. So there's all of that. That is the Rainy Day kit. And then we have the Birthday Time kit, and oh my gosh, like seriously, look at that. It turned out cuter than I thought. He's playing pin the tail on the mousey. And we have Kit there, and Cat, and just, I think it turned out so much better than I even imagined in my head when I was making it, so that's always good. And they're just bright spring colors, really fun. I think lots of glitter because it's your birthday or whoever's birthday, and you gotta have some glitter, right? So then we have the having trouble here. We have this sheet and this one. And I also thought about redoing this, but in different colors so that you can have like color options. So let me know in the comments if that's something that you would like. There's the personal kit and the add-on sheet, the extra boxes. I just realized the extra boxes are missing this. Oops. Well, that's an oops. I'm gonna have to redo that one. And then this, and there we go. So there's that. I also wanted to say that if you buy this weekend, so this is Friday the 5th or 6th, something like that, March, you will, through Sunday, if you buy one of these kits or both kits, you will get this little die cut sticker set for free. It'll just be in the kit. They're about 2 inches tall, so they're cute and little. And then I also wanted to share with you that Gwen and Shara have new freebies. They are out this week, so they are brand new, so make sure you use that discount code in there too. So lots of fun stuff, and yeah, so I will see you guys later. Bye.